If you're looking for a lasagna that is lighter than most and one that will use up some of your garden vegetables, then this vegetable lasagna is for you. It's a perfect entree that's baked to perfection. So let's start by cooking the pasta sheets. In a large pot of boiling water, add enough amount of salt and drizzle some olive oil. Into it, place 12 to 14 lasagna sheets and cook them according to package instructions. 10 minutes now, it's cooked perfectly. Drain them and keep them aside. Now for the vegetable and sauce filling. Heat a medium-sized pan and drizzle around 2 tablespoons of olive oil and let's start adding the veggies. 1 roughly chopped onion, 1 roughly chopped zucchini, 1 medium-sized yellow squash chopped, 1 bell pepper, 1 carrot, mushrooms, and 1 eggplant. You can basically use any veggies that you have in hand. Add a pinch of salt, saute them well, close the lid and let them cook just enough for around 5 minutes. While the veggies are cooking, let's prepare the cheese filling. In a mixing bowl, add 15 ounces of ricotta cheese. If you don't have it, substitute it with cottage cheese. 2 eggs, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, a pinch of salt and roughly chopped spinach, around 2 cups. Give them all a good mix until all are well combined. If you feel that this is too thick, you can add few tablespoons of fresh milk. Mix them all and keep them aside. Add to the veggie. Looks like they are all soft enough and cooked. At this point, add 5 crushed cloves of garlic and 2 heaping tablespoons of tomato paste. Saute them all well so that all the veggies are well coated with the tomato paste. To this, add 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes, also adding a half cup of tomato sauce. Combine them all well and let's add in the spices. 2 teaspoons of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and salt to taste. Combine and close the pan with a lid and let them cook for at least another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see that the sauces are all well cooked through and the veggies are still hearty and holds a bit of crunch. Remove it from the stove and let's start layering the lasagna sheets. In a deep baking pan, spread some of the vegetable sauce evenly. By this time, you also need to preheat your oven to 375 Fahrenheit. Over this, place 4 sheets of cooked lasagna, one overlapping the other. For the third layer, let's spread the cheese and spinach filling all around. If you are looking for a vegetarian version, you can always skip the egg that's added into this cheese filling. Topping all of them with a generous amount of mozzarella cheese. This completes one perfect layer. Repeat the same process again, creating a total of 3 layers with 4 lasagna sheets on each layer. Stuffed with all these veggies, it's so much lighter than the traditional pasta dishes and you can practically have them guilt-free. For the final layer, skip the cheese and spinach filling and just top it with shredded mozzarella cheese. Once done, cover the dish with a foil and place it to a preheated oven and bake it for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, take them out, unwrap the foil and spread some fresh basil leaves. And again, in it goes into the oven, this time uncovered for another 15 minutes at 375 Fahrenheit. Baking uncovered during the last 15 minutes gives a good brown roasted color on the top. Also, make sure to let it sit for at least 15 minutes before you cut and serve. The end result is a super flavorful, nutrient-dense, veggie-packed lasagna. And this is something that you don't want to miss. Every piece of lasagna are loaded with goodness. I hope you guys enjoyed this traditional pasta dish. Before signing off, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for latest updates.